In recent months, webinars have increased dramatically in the face of the health emergency that effectively prevents events in person. It's a form of communication that is not brand new, but which has become even more common now due to the circumstances. But are webinars good only because we cannot do anything else? Absolutely not. They are an excellent marketing tool. So why should you consider webinars for your own business? First of all, consider that a webinar can be used to build lists of potential customers, prospects, contacts. Those who in jargon we call them leads. Every new person who registers for one of your webinars is one more contact on your list. It's also an opportunity to talk to the market, to stand, to express your position, to present your solutions and your products. And not only, a webinar is a moment when you add a human element to it. You're giving a face to your company, to your offering. Potential customers who participate, they get to see and to know a person, you, and they can start to develop a relation with you. A webinar is also an opportunity to show your knowledge, your skills, and above all, to present you as an expert in the field. This will give you credibility on top of visibility. And the fact of putting your face and confronting with the audience, it's also very important to build trust towards your brand, towards your company, and towards yourself. In the course, I will explain how important it is to engage with the audience, and I will show you how to do it. And thanks to that, you have a fantastic opportunity to listen to your market and to understand firsthand what are the most interesting topics for them, what motivates your audience. And this will allow you even to better modulate your offering. Another peculiarity of the webinars are that they give you the opportunity to invite external speakers. And this could be an industry expert, a business partner, or a customer who is supporting you, who is sponsoring you and giving you a success story with you. Webinars have a low cost compared to the results they offer. They are much less demanding in terms of an effort than an event in person, and they allow you to reach a wider audience at the same cost. And paid webinars, they can also be a source of income for you. And if you record the webinar, this will be very useful later. You will have valuable content for your marketing strategy, as I will show you inside the course. In many cases, webinars are the only way to reach prospects that you would otherwise never meet in person. And this is true not only today that there is the emergency. So, in a nutshell, a webinar is a tool to grow your business with an excellent cost-to-benefit ratio. So start right now to consider webinars for your business.